Hi, I'm Jonathan Boyd, Fire Chief here in Allen, and I'm here to talk about everyone's favorite topic, face masks. On July 2nd, Texas Governor Greg Abbott issued a statewide mandate requiring face coverings or masks in many public settings. This includes going shopping, running errands, traveling in a vehicle with people you're not living with, going to events, either indoor or outdoor, where you can't maintain 6 feet of separation from others. There are times that it's just not possible to wear a face covering, like swimming or eating at a restaurant, and the governor provided a list of these exceptions in his mandate. This order applies to counties with 20 or more cases of coronavirus. Collin County has upward of 900 cases as of July the 7th, so we're going to be dealing with this for some time. We talked from the beginning about flattening the curve so we don't put too much of a strain on our healthcare resources. Unfortunately, hospitalizations are going up statewide, and here in the DFW Metroplex, we've really started to put a strain on our healthcare resources. Here in Collin County, we're actually doing okay as far as healthcare resources. We still have a lot available. They are up. We're seeing an increase in the amount of hospitalizations. They will more than likely continue to go up until we kind of get a control of the spread. But the one thing to remember is that this is a regional effort. All of us drive to different parts of DFW to shop, to work, to attend houses of worship. So you have to understand this is a regional effort to stop the spread of this virus. This mandate provides a couple of benefits for our business community. For one, it provides clear-cut guidance on when people should wear face coverings and when they should not. That's one less tough decision our business community has to make, and one less thing they have to have their employees enforce. The other is that it's a way of curbing virus spread through the community, lowering the rate of hospitalizations without returning to the type of closures and stay-at-home orders that we had back in the spring. And that is something that we all want to avoid. We know the virus spreads through droplets, and we spread droplets by breathing, talking, coughing, sneezing. And when we wear a face covering, it actually prevents that spread of droplets. It sounds really simple, but it works. The other thing to remember is that it's also possible to be contagious even when you don't feel sick. It's possible to spread this virus before you show symptoms. And that's why it's very important that we wear a mask all the time, even when we don't feel sick, so that we can avoid spreading the virus before we show symptoms. The other thing to remember is that you're wearing that face covering or mask for everyone around you. Yes, it does protect you, but it's also to prevent you from unknowingly spreading the virus to those around you. So when you're wearing the mask, it's for you and it's for others, but when you see someone else wearing a mask, they're wearing it for you to prevent spreading the virus to you. Well, at the beginning of this crisis, I talked and I said, we can do this together. And the reality is that we have done it together. This community has such a sense of community and has such care for each other. We've really rallied together to help prevent infections within our community. And this is just another way to show that same care and caution for each other and promote that neighborly spirit.